Whoa, Motorola is back, and it's coming in hot. Meet the all-new Motorola Edge 70, the sleek, smart flagship you didn't see coming. First off, this design is hot. Super slim, curved glass, and a gorgeous 6.7-inch OLED display with 144Hz refresh rate. Yep, buttery smooth scrolling is here. Whether you're gaming or binge watching, this screen pops. The 50-megapixel main camera, sharp and color-rich. Low light? No problem. And the ultra-wide and selfie cams deliver crisp results every time. Perfect for creators, vloggers, or just powered by the new MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chip and paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, it's blazing fast. Multitasking, gaming, editing, this phone handles it all. And the 4400 milliamp hour battery with 68-watt turbo power charging, 50% in just 15 minutes. You're getting near-stock Android 14, plus Motorola's neat gestures and MyUX tweaks. Swipe to split, twist to snap. Simple and smart. So, is the Motorola Edge 70 the best mid-range flagship tiller of 2025? It's stylish, powerful, and surprisingly affordable. If you're tired of overpriced phones, this just might be your next upgrade. Like, comment, and subscribe for more epic tech drops.